It's Saturday and I'm making a quick grocery shopping trip over here to Grocery Outlet. I don't make it to Grocery Outlet very often, mostly because it's hard to make a list because you never know what they're going to have. So it happened that I needed eggs and bananas before we go for a big Costco shopping trip, which I'm hoping not to do for another week or so. But I figured I should be able to find eggs and bananas here at Grocery Outlet, and while I'm here I'll check and see if there's any amazing deals on anything. And of course I wanted to bring you along. I have Levi in the back. He's my only helper with me today. Everybody else wanted to stay home and watch a movie. Look at me match with our gray hoodies today. Isn't that cool? We look so cool together. You want to sit in a cart? Yeah? Alright, do they have some bananas for you? I see some over here. Organic and regular. 2.5 pounds, 3 pounds. We'll just find the ones that look ripe, I guess. Yeah, I know. We'll give you some in the car. Let's see. These ones look pretty good. Yeah, we're going to get some in the car. Let's get some that are green too. That should be good. I know, they look so yummy, huh? My husband really loves this. Let's see, how much is it? I thought it was $7.99, but I don't think that's... Is that the right one? That doesn't look like the right thing. I don't know how much it is. Alright, we'll find out. Let's see about these eggs. $1.89 per dozen. That seems like a lot. Alright, we'll just do this. They're medium eggs. I don't really like to get medium eggs usually, but they're cheap. Let's see if there are any deals on meat that we can't pass up. I know there are bananas everywhere and you want to eat them all. Levi was so mad at me yesterday because I wouldn't let him eat 4 bananas in a day because I'm a terrible mother. If these weren't pre-seasoned, I would want that because that would be a good deal, but I don't really want the seasoning on there. That's too bad. I'm not really seeing much meat that I can't live without. Hopefully they'll forgive us for breaking into the bananas, but they're already pre-weighed, so it shouldn't be a problem. You know Levi, he's got to have his bananas everywhere he goes. Look, organic riced cauliflower. That's a big bag for $2.99. It's a pretty good deal. I might grab some of these veggies. Those seem like a pretty good deal. Oh, they even got more up there. Edamame. Let's do one of each of these. Are you seriously asking for another banana? You can't just eat 2 bananas in a row. That's not what people do. That's what monkeys do. Are you a monkey? Are you a monkey? Because I've always suspected that about you. I know a lot of people love this sweetener. They got the maple syrup here for $4.99 for 13 ounces. That's pretty good, I guess. You can't eat the banana peel. You can't do that. We have this here also, the golden. I know you want another banana. The brown sugar one and the classic $5.99. I'm not sure if that would be cheaper than Costco. It's still a pretty good deal. Alright, he's on the second banana here. Don't need any rice or beans, I don't think. Let's see what else. That's pretty good. I don't think we need any milk products. We just got sour cream. This is the organic natural section. Ooh, they have pork rinds. I don't know that I've tried this kind. Levi likes pork rinds. $1.99. That's not as cheap as I'd love to see it, but I'll get a few. think the mango at Costco is still going to be cheaper than this. So we'll wait on that. And he's almost done with that second banana. This boy could just live on bananas, I think. Sometimes they have some really good yogurts. Let's see what we have here. Those are cute. 69 cents is still a lot for that, I think. I got some Faye, but that's still expensive. What looks good to you, Levi? Are you going to finish that banana, or are you full of banana now? Yeah, those look good, don't they? Yeah, not seeing any yogurt that's looking that great. Oh, this isn't too bad, but I think we'll skip it for now. These are really good. I was going to grab this one for my husband to try because he's on a kombucha kick these days. They got some fermented sauerkraut. That's great. Some ginger beet kraut. Yum. Are you full yet? Well, I'm not giving you a third banana, sorry. It's just not happening. Bob's Red Mill recently changed their packaging, so I've been seeing lots of Bob's Red Mill stuff at discount stores. That's nice. I don't know that there's any that I need right now. These are really yummy snacks. And I like them, but $2.99 is still more expensive than I would like to see it. If it was like 99 cents or $1.99, I might stock up on those, but I think I'll skip it for now. Epic bars. Oh, these are chocolate peanut ones. Those usually have pretty good ingredients, I think. $2.99 for 4 bars. Hey, that's too loud, man. I don't know. Coconut lime. I don't think the kids would love that. But that's, I think, a better deal. Pumpkin spiced marshmallows. These are really good. But we just got a bunch of chips at Trader Joe's, and I already got a couple bags here, so I think I'm going to skip those, but those are really good. They're almost like Fritos. Alright, I think we've done enough damage, Levi. Are you ready to get going? Alright, I still haven't checked the price on those big blocks of cheese, so I'll ask at the register, and we'll see if we want to go through with that, but that looks pretty good. They always have a bunch of interesting health powders here. Maca root, turmeric, beetroot powder. That's weird. Mulberries. Oh, nutritional yeast. Yeah, that's good. Oh, those aren't bananas. Those are corn. Those aren't bananas. Can you say corn? Oh, corn. Yeah, it looks tasty, huh? Spirulina, chlorella, if that's how that's said. All kinds of stuff. Wow, they even have cassava flour for $10 for 2 pounds, which actually for this brand is a pretty good price. Coconut flour, quinoa flour, all kinds of stuff. Excuse me. Please don't throw my groceries on the ground. Thank you. Well, that wasn't too bad. So here is everything I picked up. Got 3 bags of the chili lime pork rinds, 1 bottle of hopped grapefruit kombucha. It's really good, and I really wanted my husband to try it. I got 2 bags of the white with a touch of lime tortilla chips, a bag of organic broccoli florets, a bag of frozen organic green beans, 5 dozen medium-sized eggs. I got 3 packs of the bananas. 2 were not organic. 1 was organic just because they were ripe and ready for Levi to eat. I got 2 of these peanut butter. It's peanut butter spread. It's just got the palm oil and a little sugar and salt. But this is Talia's favorite. Not the brand specifically, but that kind that has a little bit of sugar and the palm oil in it. And then these, I checked the price at the register, and they were $6.99, which I think is a really good price. So I might actually get some more because my husband really loves this, and this is the 2-pound baby loaf of the extra sharp, which is really good. So that was, I think, the best deal that I found today. The total that I spent was $48.84, and we got the eggs, we got the bananas, so I am set on groceries now for a while, so hopefully I can put off my big Costco trip for at least a week. I'm not giving you another banana, but you can taste test the chips if you want. Uh-oh. This boy's only happy when he's eating or when he's sleeping. Our Imperfect Produce Box just got delivered, and Renee wanted to show what we got. You ready to open it up?
Yeah.
It's always like opening a treasure box every time we get it, because most of the time I forget what I ordered, so it's so exciting. What do you see, Renee? Pull out something. What's that?
An apple.
An apple. Fuji apple. Let's see, how many apples are there? I think I ordered 6. There's 3. I love Fuji apples. They're one of my favorites. Come on, apple. That's 5. I bet there's one more in there somewhere. Where is it? Maybe we'll find it later.
Under the lettuce.
It's under the cabbage. Yeah, or maybe we just got 5. That's possible. All right, grab the next thing. I feel like you're avoiding the celery. Why are you avoiding the celery? All right, these are little mandarins. Organic ones. Well, mandarins are a type of orange. They're like a little baby orange. I think I ordered 2 pounds of mandarins. Oops, don't drop them. 2 pounds of those. And then let's do the limes. We got 3.
Come on, lime.
Come on, lime. 4. 5. Any more limes in there? Oh, 2 more. Grab them.
With my 2 hands.
It's a good thing you have 2 hands, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, now grab the celery so we can get it out of the way.
Celery?
A big thing of celery. And you love celery for your peanut butter raisin honey sticky ants on a log. Okay, what do you want to grab next? Potatoes?
Yes.
Okay, we got I think 3 or 4 pounds of potatoes here. Golden ones this time. Sometimes you don't know what kind you're going to get, so it's always exciting.
Yeah.
But it's never bad.
It's like a treasure box when we forget what we produce.
What we ordered?
Yeah.
Yeah. Isn't that funny? All right. Oh, here's another potato. There we go. And what are those?
Avocados.
Avocados. Levi loves avocados. And guacamole, he can just eat it by the spoonful. He's a boy after my own heart. Do you like avocados?
Yes.
You do?
I know.
Oh, I didn't think you did. All right, we got 1 giant green cabbage. You love cabbage. I know that much, right?
Yeah.
She likes to eat it raw. Okay, what are these? Do you know?
No.
Parsnips.
Ooh.
I bet Peter Rabbit eats those. 1 onion, giant onion, I should say, and a giant sweet potato. This will be a whole meal right here. Look at that. I will put up on the screen how much this box cost, but again, we are working through some credits that we get for when you guys sign up for Imperfect Produce using our link. So we didn't have to pay for this box, but if you want to know what it would have cost, I will put that up on the screen, and I'll put a link down below for if anybody wants to check out Imperfect Produce, see if they're in your area. We really enjoy it. A lot of times it doesn't end up to being a ton cheaper than the grocery store, but you can feel good about reducing food waste by using the service. If you pick the items that are imperfect items, they have some like pantry items and stuff that they just offer to make it convenient, but then they also, a lot of the produce and stuff it would have been thrown away or wasted if Imperfect Produce didn't purchase it. So you can feel good about reducing food waste, and it gets delivered to your house, so the convenience factor is a thing. So anyways, that is our Imperfect Produce box today. You look tired. Are you sleepy?
No.
No. Thanks for hanging out with us and doing grocery stuff with us today. We'll see you again real soon. Say bye.
Bye.